What's going on, YouTubers, World Wide Web, loyal subscribers? Guys, today's no secret to making money using smart automated marketing systems. Let's talk about how to build your own marketing system, or let's talk about how to create your own marketing system. Now, you may be asking yourself, why would I want to build my own marketing system? Why would I want to create my own marketing system? Well, for me, guys, and ultimately, if you stay in the game long enough, you're going to want to do some branding, okay? And when you can build out your own marketing systems, then you actually, it's a real simple and easy way to brand yourself right at the front door. And, we're talking about building lists and building businesses. Then what better way to brand yourself than being able to create your own marketing systems and create your own marketing systems, right? And so today what I want to talk about is the fact that the software that I use, and it's fast becoming my #1 go-to software, although I have several. But what I love about this particular software that I'm going to show you guys in just a second is the cost of it. #1, it's $20 a month. But also, I like the actual simplicity of the software. It literally is point, click, copy, paste. I mean, it's just that simple. So what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to jump into what's known as the HBA Funnel Builder, guys. Okay, so let's get inside the software. Let me show you guys something. And just how simple it actually is to build out your own marketing systems or to create your own marketing systems, okay? If you had this particular software, the HBA Funnel Builder, then you would have an interface, a members area that looks exactly like this one. And so this is where that process begins for me in terms of creating my own marketing systems or building my own marketing system. So you would be in an interface like this, and it would look this way. And if you look over here off to the left, you'll see this little white bar. And when you are inside of your members area and you click right here where it says funnels, it will take you to where your funnels will actually be housed. Now, I've been working on several funnels, as you guys can see. I've been pretty busy, but your members area wouldn't look like this. It wouldn't have anything in here. But when you're ready to come into the actual software and start building your own funnel, you will come to this down here would be at the top. But mine is at the bottom because I have so many different funnels and things like that I'm building. But what you would do is you would come to the top, and you right down here where I'm moving around a little bit where it says add new step, then that's what you would do. So I'm going to click that and show you guys exactly what happens when you do that. Now, when you did that, you'll see over here on the right, this just popped up and it says page, pop-up, section label. Let's click page. Now, there are all kinds of basically done for you templates inside of this software. And so what I like about it is the fact that they're really pretty much built out for you, and you just can kind of go in and tweak them a little bit. Remember, I said I like the simplicity of the actual software. It's point, click, copy, paste. Now, you have way more choices than what you see here. But if you want to build your own marketing systems, then this is the ideal platform that you can do it, using this software. Now, you got lots of different softwares that do it. I have several. I like this because it really is simple, and so I find myself using it a lot more often because of its simplicity. But if you didn't want to use this set of templates, these done for you templates you have here, you could also come up here where it says, if you're looking at where I'm moving my mouse around up here on the left, and you can click that, because they got all kinds of cool stuff in here that you can use. And so you'll see it just loaded up another set of basic thank you pages, capture pages, we call bridge pages. And so it will make life so much easier when you can create your own capture pages. I used to have my capture pages outsourced on Fiverr, and I paid no less than $25 a pop every time I did that. And then I still had to turn around and pay extra money to have the people actually integrate my capture page with my actual order responder. Now I do all that stuff on my own, and it's really easy. And the reason I'm talking about this early on in my smart automated marketing systems videos is because you might just be a person, you might be a little more on the creative side, and you might really want to get into a branding aspect right at the start of your business endeavors. So this would be an ideal software to actually have. Now, I'm not going to use any of these templates. What I'm going to do is show you guys the latest template that I actually just did. And I want you guys to imagine, right? This took me 5 minutes to do it, being able to do that kind of thing, okay? So I'm going to try, if I can, to get out of this particular page. Okay, so let's go back into the funnel builder. And once I'm inside, I want to show you guys a page that I built. And when we talk about that branding aspect of your business, you'll see how the branding aspect ties in terms of capture pages and all the things that you can actually create when you're doing this type of thing. So let's go back to my funnels. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to show you guys my latest sales funnel. It took me 5 minutes to build this out, guys. And so that's what I like about the actual software. Now you can see, you guys know I'm right in the middle actually of a launch of my No Secret using smart automated marketing systems, the series of videos I'm doing on YouTube, and of course the actual platform I'm building this series around. So this is the actual capture page that I created. Now, we're going to be talking a lot about list building. And so when you start talking about list building, that process starts with being able to create your own landing page or your own capture page. You know, people call them different things. They serve the same purpose. The purpose of your landing page, your capture page is to, let's go over here in another browser. Let me show you guys. The purpose of this is to actually capture the data, okay, information, either a person's name and or email address, because you're building a list and you want the people that you want to get in front of to enter their name and or email address, so that once they're on your list, you can start to create relationships with these people, start building relationships with them. And it's just an ideal way to move product and service once you've established relationships and you have a list that you can actually email and correspond with by following this process. So now we're talking about smart automated marketing systems. We're talking about how to build your own marketing systems or how to create your own marketing systems. Well, I just did this, guys, and it took me, well, I didn't just do it. I did it when I did it. It took me, I'm going to say probably 10 minutes because, you know, of course, I have to always go behind myself and make sure I spell everything right. And make sure, you know, that everything's lined up. But here's the thing. The branding aspect is what I was talking about, right? So I position myself in front of my target audience using a capture page like this that it took me all of maybe 10 minutes, just to say 10 minutes to build out. And so now I'm on the page, right? And so when you can create your own marketing systems, you can brand yourself right at the front door. There's a little picture of me right there holding a few dollars. And so that is what this is all about. Now, remember, once you created the capture page, you can redirect that capture page to whatever you want to. Idealistically, we want to redirect to what I call a thank you page or a bridge page, right? Like, it's just a bridge between yourself and the actual product, service, or business opportunity that you actually want to be promoting. So if you can create a bridge between yourself and that particular product, that's an even better way to continue that branding aspect, because the person is actually seeing who you are up close, basically personal, right at the front door. And now they know you. They've heard you if you got a video bridge page or thank you page. But either way, you don't have to use video. You can just use pictures. But you understand that it's a great way to brand yourself. And if you are an internet marketer or an aspiring internet marketer, branding is definitely something that you want to incorporate in your marketing strategies. And the reason why is, you don't want to just be doing what everybody else is doing, and you're gonna be able to stand out. You're gonna be able to set yourself apart from the countless tens of thousands of other people who might even be marketing and promoting the same thing that you are, right? So rather than just send your prospects to a generic capture page with a generic bridge or thank you page, which you can do, and you guys are going to see some explosive examples of that later on in the series. But ultimately, you're going to want to start doing this on your own. And this is why it's at the very front of my No Secret Secret to Making Money Using Automated Marketing Systems, because it'll just be something you guys can file in the back of your mind, so you can always go back and you'll remember it. And if you're on my list, periodically I will remind you guys, and I promise you, a dollar to a dime, at some point in time you're going to want to start doing this. Now let's take a look at this process and how I have this particular sales system built out. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name. I'm just going to put my first name, and then I'm going to put my email address. It might say I'm already subscribed, because I believe I am. I just have to go into my autoresponder and take myself off of this list, because I'm sure I'm on my own list, right? And if I am, it will let me know, by the way. So I think I got my email right. I got my first name. So I want instant access. So I'm going to hit that. And see, it takes me over to, again, that bridge page, that page that's creating a bridge between myself and my potential prospects. Now, they saw my picture on my capture page. They read my caption. They were interested enough to give me that email. And so we're continuing on with the congruency, where I'm talking about the no secret to using smart automated marketing systems. And so what I want to do, and what you're able to do when you're able to do this, is get a little bit more personal. So down here you have the actual opportunity, the ability to come down here and personalize your bridge page. You can talk a little bit more about yourself, but again, it's just a great way, an ideal way to separate yourself from the masses and brand yourself right at the front door. And here I'm just simply saying, make sure you check your email from me, because I actually sent everybody coming onto this list an actual email. If you guys have come into, well, you actually, if you're seeing this video, you might have already come into my actual new smart automated marketing systems funnels, because I'm tweaking it. So I've got some versions that I've actually mailed out. So hopefully you guys have seen this and you understand how the process works. But anyway, you can see, very, very easy to do, right? These templates are built out for you. So basically all you're going to do is come in here and change and just kind of tweak them, or say whatever you want to say, okay? Talk about your business, product, services, whatever you want to talk about. And so when that happens, guys, you're able to come down here if you want to. I'm telling them, look, check this out right at the front door. And I'm still working on this, by the way. You guys shouldn't have got this page. But anyway, you can redirect your prospects even before they check your email, right? And so all of these things are going on, right? We're talking about the actual anatomy of the smart automated marketing systems. Well, it's just a beautiful thing, right? And you can create these types of pages, and you can do this pretty much on the fly. Now, when you're back here inside of your members area in this software, there are ways. I talked about being able to connect. This particular software will integrate with all major autoresponders, i.e. Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, GVO. I believe you can integrate all of those, and integrate them and these into your autoresponder is as simple as what's known as an API key that you'll take out of your whatever autoresponder you have, and you would actually take that code, you would paste it somewhere, and voila, guys. Okay, so all of these pages that I'm able to create and using this software, I'm also able to integrate them with my GetResponse autoresponder. And it doesn't matter what autoresponder you have, contact management system, you can connect it. Now, guys, my no secret to making money using smart automated marketing systems is built around two of the most universal evergreen niches on the face of the planet: making money, lead generation, traffic, and list building. Okay, that's all I do, guys, is I build a list. Why? Because if you can build a list, you can build a business. And if you wanted to run over to a place like ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Forum, you can simply pick up a product for free in any of those platforms, plug it into your system, and redirect to your particular product, service, or even business opportunity. That's the beauty, the power, and the importance of being able to create your own smart automated marketing systems. And when you talk about how to build your own marketing systems or how to create your own marketing system, it just doesn't get any simpler and easier than that. This is how I'm going to close this video out. I said in another video, I can't remember which one it was, that there has never been a better time, particularly in as we look at what's going on in the world, when we look at what's going on in our economy, uh, building your own list, right? And particularly when you want to build it around a niche such as the work from home, make money, start your own business, affiliate marketing, guys, the sky's truly the limit in terms of what you can do, right? And so it's probably the most cost effective ways to start your own business that I can think of, right? The autoresponder, and I'm going to show you guys some free ones along the way in the series. I just like Get Response. It's my favorite autoresponder. I have 4. It's my favorite. And why is apples and oranges? But I just love Get Response. But the point is, you can get them free. You can get them for pennies on the dollar. I think Get Response has a special going on almost all the time where you're able to start with right around 2,500 contacts for something like $19, right? So when you talk about the software, you talk about how to build your own marketing systems. This software, the HBA Funnel Builder, comes highly recommended because what you can do with it, right? The speed, the simplicity, the point, click, copy, paste technology built into the actual software makes it ideal. And that's why it's my #1 go-to funnel builder. I have several. This is the simplest and easiest one to do, right? And I'm actually working on some new funnels for some other things. And so that's what I wanted to make sure that you guys understood and the takeaway to be in this video. Now, guys, get ready for some really exciting and explosive information as I launch my No Secret to Making Money Using Smart Automated Marketing Systems. Because remember, we're talking about a universal niche, right? Or 2 universal niches kind of rolled into each other to make money work from home market space, that audience, as well as the list building, lead generation, and traffic, right? That niche. When you tie those 2 niches together, it's a perfect marriage made in heaven. You can go out, start building your own list, marketing, promoting, advertising, anything that you want. And as you're building that list, you're able to continue the conversation, continue to create the relationship with the list if it's more than one that you're building, and you can literally speak your own success into existence. I hope this video made sense to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, guys. We're blasting off. I'm imagining probably I'm just a day and a half, maybe 2 away from the first premier smart automated marketing system. I'm going to be doing a video on it. It's coming, I'm going to say probably within the next day or 2. You want to see the video. It's probably like nothing you've ever seen, and you want to really watch that video. I'm going to shoot it after I finish this video, but it probably won't go up until Monday of next week. I'm not sure. But anyway, I appreciate you guys being on the video. I thank you guys so very much. For those of you guys who are on the list and you want to check out the HBA Funnel Builder on your own, get inside, play around with the software. You know, again, we're talking about $20 a month for it. Then go down, feel free to click the continue button just below this video. If you guys are on YouTube, there'll be a link for it inside the YouTube video description area. And I appreciate it. And hopefully you guys will find this of some value in a tool, an affiliate marketing tool that you might just want to tap into. Okay, thanks again, guys, for being on the video. As always, this is your boy Marlon. I will see you guys on the next video. Keep banging, guys.